Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to discuss the question is prove that root 5 is irrational number by contradiction method. Solution: let root 5 is rational number. Root 5 is rational number. Therefore, root 5 equal to P by Q. Here, P comma Q belongs to Z and Q not equal 0 and P comma Q are co-primes. ఇది కంపల్సరీ రాయాలని ఇక్కడ ఒక్క టర్మ్ మాత్రమే ఇచ్చినప్పుడు రూట్ 5 రూట్ 2 రూట్ 7 రూట్ 5 రూట్ 2 రూట్ 7 రూట్ 11 ఇలాంటి టర్మ్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు we want to take here p comma qr co-primes. p comma qr co-primes ఇది must and should. Here p comma qr co-primes. Here must and should you mention p comma qr co-primes. Then only we can prove this. From this, P equal to, what is cross multiplication? Root 5Q. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. From this, P square equal to 5Q square. P square equal to root 5 square means 5. Q square means Q square. From this, P square by 5 that equal to Q square. P square by 5 that equal to Q square. Here 5 divides P square. Here 5 divides P square. Why? Because here Q is integer. Q is integer. Integer square also we got here integer only. P square by 5 that equal integer nothing but 5 exactly divides P square. Here 5 divides P square, so 5 divides P. 5 divides P. Here see na 16 4 square is divided by 2. Then automatically 4 also divided by 2 na. 4 square is divided by 2. Then automatically 4 also divided by 2. Here also 5 divides P square. So 5 divides P also. 5 divides P also. 5 divides P. Five divides P, that nothing but let 5 divides P. Let P by 5 we are taken C. Here C is an integer. Here C belongs to integer. Ante P ni kuda 5 divide chestundi. That means we got their integer only. That's why P by 5 that equals C. Here C belongs to Z. From this P equal to 5C. P equal to 5C. This one taken as first equation ma. Idi first equation anko. P square by 5 equal to Q square. We are taken. This is the first equation. P equal to 5C. This one consider as 2. Equation 2 is substitute in equation 1 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను. What is 1 here? P square. P nothing but 5C whole square by 5 that equal Q square. That nothing but 5 square nothing but 25C square by 5 that equal Q square. From this 5 1 ja 5 5 ja 5 c square equal to q square. 5 c square equal to q square. From this q square, this side multiplication, that side division. Q square by 5 equal to c square. Q square by 5 equal to c square. Here 5 divides q square, so 5 divides q. Already we know, now only I discussed. 16 is divided by 2, that nothing but 4 square. It divided by 2, then automatically 4 also divided by 2 na? Q square is divided by 5, then automatically q also divided by 5. Q also divided by 5. That means, so 5 divides q. 5 divides q. Here, therefore, 5 divides both p and q. Both p and 5 divides both p and q. But మనం ఏమని తీసుకున్నాం? p, q are co-primes. What is the definition of co-primes? Co-prime nothing but if two numbers having one as common factor. If two numbers having only one as common factor, they are said to be co-primes. If two numbers having only one as common factor, then they are said to be co-primes. For example, Seema, 2, 3 are co-primes. What are the factors of 2? 1, 2. 3 factors, 1, 3. These are co-primes. Why? Because one only common factor here. But here 5 divides both p and q. That means 5 is common factor for both p and q na. మనం ఏమని తీసుకున్నాం? p, q are co-primes అని తీసుకున్నాం. But here 5 is a factor for both p and q. This is contradiction. This is contradiction. ఎందుకు contradiction? p, q are co-primes కాబట్టి, but here 5 divides both p and q. That means 5 is common factor for both p and q. That's why this is contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 5 is irrational number. If you like